Hi, thanks for watching Wise Monkey. I'll show you what kind of noise a vehicle can make if the alternator bearing is gone. It's not really the bearing here. The alternator works fine, battery charge is fine, but for this particular vehicle, it makes a fairly bad noise, as if engine is knocking or so. So the the problem is it's very hard to diagnose. It even goes all the way to the back exhaust all the way. It sounds like as if the heat shield is broken. We checked all the heat shields. The exhaust heat shields are not broken, so it's all good. But then we found that the tensioner for the drive belt is seized, so that actually damaged the pulley, alternator pulley, or inside the sleeve. So I'll start it up in a second and show you. Provided some links for drive belt, alternator, this kind of things, pulleys, in the description of this video. If anybody needs to buy anything, browse and make sure the fitment is right. And this is a general video for a alternator noise and how to troubleshoot if it's alternator or other pulleys. Let me start it up. Before I start the car, this is the alternator. At the very top, the engine shown is a GM 6-liter V8 engine, gasoline, and there's another pulley right there. The alternator is making noise probably, and there's the tensioner down there. So we put a new tensioner there, and the noise is still there but less. The previous tensioner was completely seized up. So what we'll do is start it up and show the noise. Once you hear the noise, then I'll actually take the belt off. Take this belt off. So just slide it off the pulley, and once the belt is off, the noise will begin, because that's gonna stop the alternator or this pulley from working. So that's how to diagnose. I'll actually change. It's best to change. I'll change both alternator as well as that small pulley there. I hope you can hear the noise. It's quite loud. This noise comes, it propagates actually all the way to the exhaust. So it's very hard to determine if it's coming from the engine or the alternator or water pump, like that. So once I take the drive belt off, then it shows that the noise is gone. Definitely there is up and down with the noise. Okay, now I'll shut her down and take that belt off. Okay, I took the belt off. As you can hear, no sound. Engine running like super quiet and nice. Once you move this, yeah, there you go, it's not moving, jammed. So the alternator is almost shot. Definitely needs a new alternator. And check the other pulley here. Yeah. That one is good actually. It's okay. Now replacing the alternator is fairly easy. 3 bolts I think. Comes out, put it on, done. But before that, of course, disconnect the negative battery terminal and then disconnect these alternator connections. Do not change it or put the alternator back when the battery terminals are connected. It's very important. It can actually damage the alternator. The diode will burn basically inside. Okay, so hope this helps. Please share and subscribe. Thought I show the new alternator and the after the generator is installed. Now listen to the noise. There's no noise now. Smooth. Only the rumble of the exhaust, which is loud, but there's no noise from the alternator itself. This is good. Please share and subscribe. Hope this helps. And do anything at your own risk, and use all the safety precautions. Please watch the other videos, how to do videos too. Thank you.